Good afternoon, YouTubers. My name is Clarence, and today's video is programming your garage door opener to your vehicle. I have a 2020 Cadillac Escalade, and we're going to program it to the garage door opener. It's pretty simple. The garage door opener I have is a Chamberlain, so there's a purple button on the back. It's called the Learn button. Okay, so this is the Learn button. If you press it and release it, you're setting it for one remote. If you press it and hold it more than 6 seconds, you're gonna have to reset all of your remotes. Okay. So what we're gonna do right now, since I'm only gonna set it up for my garage door opener for my vehicle, I'm gonna press it one time and you'll see a yellow light come on. Okay. Right now, I got about 30 seconds to get to my vehicle and press and hold the button to that I'm gonna use to open and close the garage door open, okay? Okay, now I'm in the vehicle. There's 3 buttons up here. I'm gonna set it with this one here, and once it's set, you'll hear it. The garage door open will open and close. So I'm gonna press it. And that should be it. Now you should see the garage door open and close, right? And the remote is set. The programming is set for number 1, and it should automatically work your garage door open anytime you need it, once you get in range. Other than that, my name is Clarence. You can hit the like button, or you can hit the unlike button if you liked it or you don't like it. But if you get a chance, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to go to the channel. And other than that, my name is Clarence. Peace, and I'll see you at the next repair video.